And Sawzall is the tool that you use to open the hood.
Leave those off the...
What's going to be pain?
Getting these out of here?
Why? Those 3 screws?
Yeah, but they go through the back.
Oh, so the radiator and everything.
Yeah. Unless you can maybe down this way, maybe.
Oh, so if you remove them... Well, we can try. This is so much fun. I still don't understand. Why?
Wait, why did it just come out?
I don't know. I just pulled it and it came out.
So then do I...
So why was it not? Well, that latch I think is just done anyway. Because whatever happened to the cable and whatever happened to... It's not moving. And on this side, the cable, when I popped it, I think the cable separated or something like that. I hope it... Well, paint is okay. So we ended up doing this with a screwdriver, and I ended up cutting this thing with a Sawzall, and it should just maybe plastics. There's a probably cable.
Yeah, hold on.
That's still holding it. Does this have a... It's a cable. And that's the stupid
it's
thing.
Still on.
It is on, and I was trying to get to move this, and see? I don't understand why when I was... Yeah, it's really hard to get to this thing when you don't see it. And it's all moving. I mean, it's kind of tight. And with a new blade, and it worked in like 11 seconds. So I was kind of trying. Oh, they're the same left and right. See, they are just the same thing. If you have this on the end, it's just this cable that pulls it, and if it's on the driver's side, you have the cable from the handle, and then the cable that connects them together goes into this hole, right?
Yep.
Yeah, but this thing is not like... I was trying to get this into it like this, but it's hard to really get into this hole when you don't see it, and really, so plastics. There you go.
That one, yeah, this is broken.
So this one popped
See, I guess.
with a screwdriver. So you can replace them without taking the rest of things. But now the cable. So does this just go into it and
So what happened? Does that cable move?
hold on a second. So this yeah, it's all good.
Okay, so then...
Rust?
Well, this is new. This is
No, I mean on the latches.
I guess rust on the line, because this is a brand new cable too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I replaced it. See?
Oh, I see. It's a new cable.
It's a brand new cable, because the other one was rusted, so I just...
So maybe the cable. So this has to be sitting inside of this.
Yeah, and it's
like
broken.
this. No, was it? Oh, okay. So this goes through this. So it goes through this.
Yeah.
Like has to slide into. Why is it not? See that right there? That's how this should be.
Yeah. And this one's that way, but I guess it's... But if it pops out...
Well,
This is very tight though.
it's just, I think these latches are
Dead.
too much rust
Yeah, this is
and
not.
dirt.
Yeah.
Well, what you can test, just hook this up. Like we have this one, just hook it up. See, that's why you cannot pull them out, because they are right. So if it's like this,
Pull it.
yeah, pull it.
Oh, this is very tight.
Nothing is happening at all. Like it moves.
Yeah.
No, nothing is happening.
Yeah.
So,
So it's probably new latches.
well, you can spray WD-40 into it first and see if it helps. But in general, I
Yeah,
think.
but these ends are broken. And they kind of hold the place.
Well, I think this one is broken. So unless you just zip tie it or something around.
Or just replace them.
Well,
Probably the better thing. See, that moves. This can be.
so when this thing is installed, oh, it's actually the other way. Oh, so it's supposed to be like on this side, right? On this side,
Yeah.
like this,
Did I have it wrong?
and yeah, and then it goes here.
Yeah, but it's still too tight.
Right, it sits like this on this side, and this sits.
No, this was the opposite way. This is supposed to be this way.
No, it's not right.
No, this is supposed to be.
Yeah, we hooked them up wrong.
Oh, yeah, so this.
Yeah, things are just way too.
So then this.
Oh, this can. Okay, so this goes to this side,
Then this is.
and this goes. So this comes out, and you flip it this way.
Okay, but if we just put it here,
Yes,
into here.
right.
Let
And then
me
you-
pull on it.
Okay, just one. So this is the driver's side. Yeah, this works just fine. But then you have to hook this to it.
This hooks up to here.
Yes. Right, so now you have two of them. Yeah, it's all working. And this side, it's also working. Well, it's all good. So, I suppose you can just, like, if you
Put a zip tie.
zip tie on that. Well, I would first spray all this with the
Yeah, and then replace that thing.
WD-40, and this definitely needs to be replaced because Sozol did its job.
Well, how about I leave this car here then? Does this work fine?
I don't know.
This is kind of also weird.
Yeah, that's not. So this when it goes over and locks, right?
Yeah.
Well, why is it not? Oh, like. Yeah, but it's not supposed to be.
I think there's a spring.
It's supposed to be in, and it's trying to go out.
Yeah.
Or is it? Or did this come out of the?
I don't know. That's a good question. It's supposed to be like this when it closes.
Yeah.
So this is supposed to.
Well, something is not right about that too.
Yeah. Well, okay.
I mean, you can leave it
I'll
here.
just leave it here and you'll just drop me off at home.
Yeah.
Or do you want me to give you these and you can clean them up? Do you have stuff at work to clean them up with?
Yeah.
So you can, because I don't have anything at home.
Yeah, I can do it. Just take them, clean them, spray them.
Maybe zip tie them.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just.
Yeah.
These screws though I'll save.
You can probably take the cable out of it.
Well, you might, maybe I need.
So, Sozo opens the hood just fine, as far as I can tell. One latch, two latches.